Think your daily diet is harmless? Think again. Some of the most common foods we eat every day could be silently sabotaging your health. Let's uncover the hidden dangers lurking in your kitchen. First up, sugary drinks. These beverages are more than just a sweet treat. They can be a hidden danger to your health. Soda, fruit juices, and energy drinks are loaded with sugar. They might seem refreshing, but they pack a punch of empty calories. Excess sugar is linked to obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. These conditions can significantly impact your quality of life and lead to serious health complications. Just one can of soda a day increases your risk of developing heart disease by 20%. It's crucial to be aware of what you're consuming and make healthier choices to protect your heart and overall well-being. Next, let's talk about processed snacks and fast food. These items are often high in trans fats, sodium, and artificial additives, which can contribute to serious health issues like high blood pressure, heart disease, and even certain types of cancers. Consuming these foods regularly can significantly increase your risk of developing chronic health problems. The more often you indulge in these unhealthy options, the greater the danger to your overall well-being. It's important to be mindful of what you eat and make healthier choices whenever possible to protect your health in the long run. Processed meats like bacon and sausages are packed with nitrates and preservatives. These additives are used to enhance flavor, extend shelf life, and give the meats their appealing color. Studies show a strong link between these chemicals and an increased risk of colorectal cancer. Research indicates that even small amounts of processed meats can have a significant impact on your health over time. Consuming processed meats regularly can significantly raise your cancer risk. It's important to be aware of what you're eating and consider healthier alternatives such as fresh meats or plant-based options to reduce this risk. White bread and pastries may taste good, but they are stripped of essential nutrients and fiber. High in refined carbohydrates, they contribute to weight gain, insulin resistance, and increase your risk of heart disease and diabetes. Even seemingly innocent condiments like ketchup and salad dressings are often loaded with hidden sugars and unhealthy fats. These additives can contribute to weight gain and chronic inflammation over time. But don't despair. By swapping these harmful foods for whole, unprocessed options like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, you can take control of your health and protect yourself from these hidden dangers. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching. For more insights into what's really in your food, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for updates on more health and wellness topics.